Welcome back to the Astrology Classroom, where we explore life's deeper wisdom with simplicity, practicality, and a little help from the stars. In Part 1, we discovered that the universe isn't something out there as a separate entity. It's a dynamic system we're already a part of, and the objective of every system is to ensure that all of its components flourish. In Part 2, we explored how the universe guides us, through our senses, our feelings, and the subtle signals all around us. And now, in this lesson, we take the next step. How do we actually align ourselves with this universe, both consciously and intentionally, so that we're not just surviving, but truly living in flow? Let's go back to our friend Fish again. Fish decides he wants to get somewhere fast. So he starts swimming with all his strength, pushing harder and harder. But something feels off. The more he tries, the more exhausted he gets. The current seems to be moving in the opposite direction, pulling him back no matter how much he pushes forward. He gets frustrated. Why is this so hard? Why does it feel like everything is working against me? But then, something shifts. Fish stops. He pauses. He listens. And he notices something he hadn't before. A different current beneath him, flowing in another direction. A direction that's smoother, calmer, and yet leading him to the very place he was trying to reach. So he lets go, just a little. He stops fighting the water and instead starts swimming with the current, not against it. The current takes him beneath, and he eases himself into the deeper current. Suddenly, everything feels easier. His energy returns. His path feels clear. He's still moving, but now he's moving in flow, not in force. This is what alignment really means. In ocean systems, it's actually very common for multiple layers of water to move in different directions. While the surface current may flow one way, deeper currents beneath can move in another. It's part of the ocean's natural design, a dynamic, layered system where everything works in harmony, even if it doesn't appear that way at first glance. Life is no different. It too is layered. And sometimes, when we feel stuck or like we're pushing too hard, it's not that there's no way forward. It's just that we're only seeing one layer, one path, one possibility. We keep swimming against the current, exhausting ourselves, trying to force our way toward our goals, often ignoring the signs that life is pulling us in another direction. But when we pause, like how Fish did, when we slow down and tune in, we begin to sense the deeper flow beneath the surface. A gentler current, a clearer path, a wiser timing. The flow is always there. We just need to pay attention to recognize it. That's what true alignment is. It's not about doing nothing or waiting passively. It's about becoming aware of which direction life is naturally moving, and then choosing to move with it, consciously and gracefully. And this is exactly where astrology becomes such a powerful guide. It helps us see those deeper currents in our own lives, our energy patterns, inner cycles, and soul's timing. So we stop pushing blindly and start flowing with awareness. With astrology, we learn how to work with the system, the universe, not against it. Because the most beautiful part of alignment is this: you still get to where you're meant to go, but without burning yourself out along the way. But before we understand astrology, there is one voice you need to know about, a voice that actually speaks to you. And for that, we need Fish again. In the next video, we are going to see how Fish hears his inner voice for the first time. We are going to watch the birth of ego in Fish. Don't miss it. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you in the next lesson, where we begin to truly understand the rise of ego.